Today I'm going to show you how I've been using Manuka honey on my face as a face mask for the past 3 weeks. First, let's talk about the benefits of honey. Honey has natural antiseptic, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which make it very effective for preventing infections and protecting wounds. With its moisturizing effects, raw honey can hydrate the skin, leaving it radiant and glowing. The sugars in honey act as humectants that increase the water content and reduce dryness even after they've been washed off the skin. Honey speeds up the skin cells' healing processes. Therefore, if you have breakouts or eczema, raw honey can accelerate healing and reduce inflammation. Let's get started. You want to first make sure that your skin has no makeup on and has been freshly cleansed. The honey that I'm using is Manuka honey, but you can also use raw honey as the benefits are similar. To apply this on the skin, I mix my honey with water as the honey has a thick texture and can be hard to spread on its own. Once I've mixed it all, I just start to apply this on my face. Make sure that you wear a hairband or something that pulls your hair back, or the honey can get all over it. As you can see, you really don't need a lot of honey. I ended up using too much, so even after I had an even layer on my face, there was a lot of honey left over, so I just kept massaging it all over my face until there was none left. Once I've finished applying the mask, I leave it on for 3 hours, as I read that's how long it takes for the enzymes to be released from the honey. This is how my skin looked after rinsing. There's no immediate difference, but it definitely felt a lot softer. And here is me using the honey mask for the last time at the end of the 3 weeks. As you can see, I became lazy and just started to apply the honey straight from the tub as it was less time consuming. And this is how my skin looked after 3 weeks of continuous use. I don't think I used the honey for long enough to see a difference in terms of scar reduction, which was my main skin concern. However, the one thing that I did notice is that my skin was a lot softer and had less texture. Here is what my skin looked before and after. Let me know if you can see any differences in my skin. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.